Hello, Royals. So our topic for today is all about measures of central tendency. So if we see measures of central tendency, it's a descriptive statistic that describes the average or typically value of a set of scores. So there are three common measures of central tendency. Those are the mode, the median, and the mean. So let's talk about first the mode. So if we say mode, the mode is the score that occurs most frequently in a set of a data. So if we say mode, ito ay isang pangkat ng mga value na may pinakamaraming beses na lumabas or nauulit. So we have four types of a mode. This is first the unimodal distribution. If we say unimodal, when a distribution has one mode, that is what we call unimodal. So example, we have 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So how many numbers that we have seen? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But only the 9 is the repeating numbers. So that is what we call unimodal distribution. Next, bimodal distribution. If we say binomial, we have two modes. So example, same numbers, the 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 13. As you can see, we have two numbers. The 9 and 13 have the same numbers na naulit. It means we have two modes. Then, we call that is binomial, bimodal, sorry. Next, multimodal. If a distribution has more than two modes, that is what we call multimodal. Here, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, and 14, 14. So as you can see, we have four types of numbers can repeated twice. The 9, 10, 13, and 14. So we have four modes that in what we call multimodal. And the last one is what we call no mode distribution. If we say no mode, there's no numbers occur or repeating numbers. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. There's no number can be repeated. That is what we call no mode. Question about the modes. Mode. Okay. Proceed to the median. If we say median, the median is simply another name for the 50th percentile. It is the score the middle half of the score are larger than the median and half of the score are smaller than the median. So, ang sinasabi ni median, ito yung average of all data. It is computed by adding all the values of a set and divided it by the number of the values. Or, in how to calculate the median, first, you need to sort the data from highest to lowest and find the score in the middle. So, pag sinabi natin median, or if pinag sinabi natin median, sorry. Pag sinabi natin median, the middle. Ayan, nakasabi na kanina. The middlemost. Okay? So we need to sort it first from lowest to highest and find the score into the middle number. So we have an example. So that is the formula. The number plus 1 divided by 2. Or if the number of scores is even, the median is the average of the middle two scores. So here's the example. So the first example, so we need to sort from lowest or highest to lowest. Okay, I sort from highest to lowest. Then count how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 numbers. So we need to get 11 plus 2, 11 plus 1, sorry, using the formula 11 plus 1, that is 12, divided by 2, that is equal to 6. So we need to find the sixth term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, our median is equal to 9. Question? Okay, none. Another example. Since this is an odd numbers or odd values, so we have an example for even number. So what is the median of the following score? So we have 24, 18, 19, 42, 16, and 12. So again, let's sort the scores from highest to lowest. So we have 6 terms. So all we need to do, okay, so determine the middle score. N plus 1, that is 7, divided by 2 is 3.5. So where's the 3.5? Between the third and fourth. Since this is we have two types of numbers, so we need to get the sum of it, 19 plus 18, that is 37. Divided by 2, we get 18.5. So the median in this set of numbers is 18.5. Question? Okay, proceed to the last one. The mean. If we say the mean, it's the arithmetic average of all scores. The mean of a population is represented by the Greek letter, is parang payu siya, or the mean of sample is represented by capital of X or X. How to calculate the mean? Calculating the mean of the following data. So here's the example. 1, 5, 4, 3, or 2. This one is kahit huwag mo na siyang isort from highest to lowest. Ang gagawin mo lang is to add all the number of data. Then, divide. How many numbers do we have? Okay. So, we need to add all. 1, 5, 4, plus 3, plus 2, that is equal to 15. So, how many numbers do we have? 5. 15 divided by 5, that is equal to 3. Therefore, our mean is equal to 3. That is easily how to compute the mean. So, any question about that? Mean, median in mode, or what we call the measurement of central tendency? If there's no question, thank you for listening and God bless.